Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Zepeto Studio and create a new project at 2048px canvas and 30 fps. Start by signing into your Zepeto account and choosing New Project. The interface shows Scene, Assets, Hierarchy, Avatar, and Timeline panels. Use the Avatar panel to import a custom avatar or pick a default model. Click and drag the avatar into the scene viewport to position it. Learn viewport navigation with right mouse drag and scroll wheel zoom. Save often using File, then Save Project to prevent data loss. Import FBX or OBJ assets via the Assets menu and set scale to 1. 0 for consistency. Drag materials and textures onto mesh surfaces to apply appearance changes. Adjust normal maps and roughness values to improve realistic detail and lighting response. Use the timeline to add keyframes and animate properties, placing keyframes every 0.5 seconds for smooth motion. Use the transform gizmo to move, rotate, and scale with precise numbers in the inspector. Test animations in play mode and iterate until movements feel natural. When your scene is ready, export projects as GLB or ZIP, and set output to 1920x1080 for full HD. Choose Publish to send your project to the Zepeto gallery and follow on-screen steps to add title and tags. Alternatively, export GLB for external platforms and use included textures and animations. Optimize performance by reducing texture size to 1024px and lowering poly count for complex scenes. Test the final file in a preview to check lighting and collision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.